Alright, YouTube, how y'all doing? Well, you see, we got the gun rack mounted. Let's go ahead and get this thing loaded up. Daisy, model 2202 Legacy. Marlin, model 60. Mossberg, Maverick 88. Yeah, I can see that's going to be an issue, so we'll just put that there, there. Turn this guy upside down. CVA 243. And let's see, what else should I put on? Oh yeah. Hang on, YouTube. Damn it, I'm getting old. Browning Cytori, which is one of my favorite shotguns. It's an over and under. That gun's slippery. I haven't long been oiled this one up, YouTube. Alrighty, let's get that guy standing up back there. That's gonna be that for that. I was not sure if I want to put any ammo in there or not. Hold on, YouTube. I'll start putting some of that black powder stuff in there. Traditions 490 round ball. We'll stick it there. Hodgson 777. Cleaning patches. Power belt 50 caliber conical bullets. Stick them down right down here. Thompson Center number 13 bore cleaner. Won't fit. CVA breech plug nipple grease. These are just number 11 percussion caps. And that's that for that. Oh well, I've got more black powder stuff here, but dadgummit, I don't exactly know what to do with it. I've got a cleaning kit and all. But I'll be damned if I know what I've done with it. Hold on, YouTube. Alright, well, YouTube, I guess that's going to go ahead and, fall off the foot of the bed while I'm at it. I guess I was going to end the video because the bag you saw in my black powder shooting video, yeah, I don't know where I put it. Honestly, I can't figure out where I put that thing. So, anyway, I was going to kind of hang it off one of these little hooks here, you know, so whenever I go hunting, I could just grab it and go with it. Alright, you see the rack's finished, it's mounted, and it's loaded up with junk, so yeah, that's probably why I can't find the little bag, because it's kind of dark in here, it's black, and I got about 30 pounds of junk piled in a 10 pound space, so you know. Alright, YouTube, I appreciate y'all watching this terrible video series. If y'all would, please like, subscribe, and comment. Good night, YouTube.